Hello everyone, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Shakib. And nowadays, festival times are going on. So there are many festivals over going on over here. So it was a Diwali, Eid, and now it is a Christmas over there. And when the festival word comes into our mind, the first thing which comes in our mind is a decoration. So we decorate our home, we call our relatives, we try to impress this. So this time I've got a LED strip, that is USB LED strip, which can be used in a decoration and you can impress it. So earlier we have got a different LED strips over there which we use for decorating our house or rooms over there, and but they are a traditional types which has got only the single color or a two color or a same pattern. So today I have got the RGB USB LED strip over here. So you can see here. So this is your box of it. Now in this you can see it has got a different features, like it is a dimmable, it can be controlled by the remote, it can be controlled with the help of the music, it can be controlled with the help of the voice. It has got a Android app over here which can be controlled by the Bluetooth over here. So this is a beautiful RGB LED strip over here. So let us open it and let us see. So you can see here it has got a beautiful remote. Okay, so if you don't have a mobile phone to control it, you can control this by remote control over here. And this remote, so you can see here, so it has got on off. You can increase and decrease the speed of the LED. You can select the different color, or you can just put on the auto mode over here, and these are the different features. So we'll see all this feature soon over here. Okay, so this is the LED strip over here. Okay, beautiful LED strip which is USB controlled over here. So this is the main part over here, and on this USB they have given one QR code, and this QR code you are supposed to scan with your mobile phone so that you can download the software which is going to control this. And this there is one chip, that is RGB control chip over there, which includes even a Bluetooth and which has even got an IR over here. So let us first open this strip. Okay, great. So let us see the purchase. It has got only the 33 LEDs over here. So you can program this all 33 LEDs. So these are the RGB programmable LEDs over here. So good, it's 5-meter long programmable 33 LEDs over here. So in this case, if you want more and more LED, you can just go on increasing the length by adding the other end of the LED. So this is the end of the LED. So if you want to increase the number of LED, you can just you will get a connector over here. You can connect it and you can just increase the LED. So my dear friend, let us turn on, and before turning on, first I will just guide you how to scan this. Okay, so you can here, you can, if you have a QR, or you can just go for this QR code scanner over here, and you have to scan this. Okay, so once you scan it, you get an app over here. So just click on that app. So you get this app over here. So you can see the Bluetooth LED strip controller, about the app over here, detailed introduction over here, and you can download this app from the Play Store over here. So it's very nice app over. Already I have downloaded. Okay, so I'll just show you how it is. Okay, so here it is. So I have downloaded this app. Now this app controls first about the setting. So you can see it will start pairing the device over here. Well, dear friend, I've taken my mobile phone charger over here. So as per this, this is simple, a USB over here. You have to insert to power it on. Okay, so it requires 5-volt near about 2 ampere over here. So it that ampere rating depends upon the number of LED. It will pair it automatically. So it is getting ready. So once it is ready, you can turn on and off over here. You can see here it's Nice, you can see the colors over here. I'll show you. Before turning on, you have to go into the setting. You have to see the device information. Okay, then a type of IC which you are going to use over here. So there are different types of IC. So this is already mentioned on the package. So I've selected UC1903B. I've just saved it. Then you have to calibrate the color. So now you can see here, once I have turned on, this is red color, so I have to select the red color, and then I have to go for the next. Then it is showing the green color. I have to just select the green, and we have to just make it done. And the last one is by default blue because it is RGB. Okay, once I have done with the calibration of the color, I have to go for the number of LEDs. So here the number of strips here in the LED, I've got a 33 LEDs. Into that you have to select it because you can select an animation over here. I'll just save it on. Okay, then I will go over here. So there are different options over here. First one, I will go here. See, now you can just change according to that, whichever the theme you required, you can make it. Okay, you can see this. If you want hello, okay, so that is the beauty of this strip, that you can customize this. Okay, now selecting upon the mood, this you can just make it more brighter. You can make it as much as dim as possible. Okay, so this is how you can select, or you can add a customized scenario option. In this, it is a favorite one which you already stored over here. You can see here, if I want whole red color or any other green, blue, you can select it according to that. Or if you want each and every LED with a different color, suppose the first color I want here red, you can see here the red turns on. The second I want a green color, so you can see, sorry, it should be green. You can see the green color over here. Or you can select this one. If you want the third as a pink, so I can select pink. So as per your this, you can select and you can decorate as per, you can customize each and everything. Okay, now in the festival, suppose if you want to turn on and light on the music mode over here, so there is one mode called as music over here, rhyme over here. You can just go and select, and the way you want the strip to be and this will get synchronized with your phone. The brightness and sensitivity can select according to that. Now if you want the most importance, you can see the firework. Okay, so you can make a design on the wall using the LED, and you can just use this firework, and which will turn on like in a firework. Okay, yes, you can see here the same pattern, it is getting resemble over here. Okay, the next one, it is the most important, the schedule. Okay, the what is the importance of the schedule? So during your festival time, if you want to turn your lights during the evening after 6 o'clock up to night 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, you can just make a mention a schedule over here, and just you can mention the time, and according to the time on and off over here. So my dear friend, instead of so another one more thing over here. So if you see this USB part over here, if you don't have any phone, mobile phone, many people don't have a high-ended gadget over here. If you don't have a phone over here, there is one switch over here, and with the help of this switch you can use a different patterns. See, so if you don't have this, you can use a phone over here, or another option they have given us. So for this I have to just turn on my Bluetooth off. So I'll turn off my Bluetooth. Okay, you have got a remote control over here. Okay, and with the help of this remote control, you can do, you can turn on and off this. Okay, so if I want different color, you can see here I have got different colors. With the help of the remote, I can select over here, and see, you can see the different options are there. So if you don't want to interface this LED light with your mobile phone or gadget, you can use a remote control. If you don't want a remote control also, there is one switch on the USB backside over here. You can just make it on and off to change the different mode over here. This was the today's technical session. So my dear friend, for more technical session like this, you can just subscribe and just click on my bell icon, and you can just stay tuned for more technical session like this. So thank you for sparing your time for this technical session.